Today, Saint Soldier Paradise Public School Dhakoli students of class nursery welcomed the rainy season by doing many fun and frolic activities under the topic Welcome to Rainy Season. The tiny tots participated in paper boat making activity. The teachers clicked their pictures smiling with their tiny little umbrellas. Children also enjoyed dancing on the songs and also recited rhymes and poems. Principal Neelam Bhar also enjoyed herself thoroughly with these little bundles of joy. She, along with all the teachers of nursery wing, helped little angels to make their event memorable. They all recalled their childhood memories through these children and enjoyed thoroughly. Principal also appreciated all the teachers for their efforts and students for their participation.